Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero. Reconciling two payments to one invoice in Xero is a very common accounting situation, especially when customers pay partially, split payments across transactions, or make payments in installments. The important thing is understanding that reconciliation is not just matching numbers. You're telling Xero how real-world bank activity connects to your accounting records. If you do it incorrectly, invoices remain unpaid, balances become inaccurate, and reports stop making sense. Why two payments might exist for one invoice? This happens often when a customer pays in installments, two transfers are made separately, partial payments are received, and different payment methods are used. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll access the bank reconciliation area. Click Accounting. Under Accounting, click Bank Accounts. Open the reconciliation screen, then click Reconcile Items. What this means, Xero is showing you that there are unreconciled bank transactions waiting to be matched with accounting records. Now select any bank statement transaction you want to reconcile. This is the payment appearing from your bank feed. Click Find and Match. This is where you tell Xero what the bank transaction actually belongs to. Now select the two payments that together equal the amount shown on the statement. The total selected payments must exactly match the statement amount for proper reconciliation. After selecting the payments, scroll downward and click Reconcile. What happens after clicking Reconcile? Xero now matches the bank transaction, marks the invoice payments correctly, updates your accounting records, removes the item from unreconciled transactions. What you just did, big picture. You verified real bank activity, connected payments to an invoice, cleared outstanding balances, improved accounting accuracy. You essentially confirmed that the money received in the bank properly satisfies the invoice. To summarize, reconciling two payments to one invoice in Xero starts by logging into your account and navigating to Accounting, then Bank Accounts. After opening the reconciliation screen by clicking Reconcile Items, you select the statement transaction you want to reconcile and use the Find and Match feature. From there, you choose the two payments that together equal the bank statement amount, then scroll down and click Reconcile. This process confirms that the invoice has been correctly paid through multiple payments and ensures your accounting records match your actual bank transactions. And that's how to reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero. Reconciliation may seem repetitive at first, but this is one of the most important habits in accounting because it keeps your books grounded in reality.
So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.